Last year, I made a video on the eufy E25, and honestly, a lot of you guys really loved it. And after using it myself for quite some time, one feature really stood out to me. It's the hydrojet roller system. And now, apparently, eufy has launched the all-new Omni C28. And what's interesting thing about this is that it brings all that same technology from the E25, including hydrojet and anti-tangle cleaning, but at a much more lower price point. C28 and E25 share similar core technologies, but differ slightly in suction, obstacle avoidance, edge cleaning, and the base station. So today I'll be stacking them up and seeing how they compare, unboxing them, and trying them out and see exactly how well does this one perform. So if you guys want to learn more about them, check out the link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. Alright guys, check it out. So this is the packaging. This here's our box. X2, you ready to open it up? Alright, let's do it. Literally, you just get the base and you get your robot vacuum. One thing to note is on the top side here, you'll have two different panels. One is for your clean water tank and one's for your dirty water tank. Just go and simply lift it up and now we'll go ahead and remove it. There's a little compartment, our dust bag. Next is our robotic vacuum, which is pretty cool. So you got that nice matte black finish. It's a solid state lighter, but it does sit relatively low, about 5 inches. It's a home button and a power button on the top here, and this will come up as like a handle. And then this will collect the dust. So if by mistake you vacuum something, a nut or a bolt in your case, you can go and manually retrieve it before it, On the front side here it says iPath 2.0. It does appear to be the water tank is on the rear side here. There you go. Flip this guy over. You have a push sensor. Looks like some fall sensors. You have dual brush system. It does not have an arm that extends out. Just keep that in mind. But with a dual system, I think that's plenty. Now, speaking of dual, you have your dual brush, dual spring system. So lots of flexibility for going over bumps and things of that nature. It does not have an extra leg, so it can't go up like any kind of steps. And then over here, you'll see our one-piece mop pad. So this is our hydrojet system. The roller actually cleans itself while mopping. According to eufy, the roller washes itself 9 times per second. So instead of dragging around dirty water and grime, the roller constantly refreshes itself while cleaning. This was one area where it performed very well, especially with those tougher stains and much larger messes. In a lot of side-by-side cleaning footages, you can see the C28 picking up things in a single pass, while keeping the roller visibly cleaner throughout the process. And honestly, split screen cleaning footage like this is super satisfying to watch. You can really see the differences in how each vacuum approaches cleaning. I also tested different surfaces, including hardwood, tile, carpet, and some dried stains. And the downward mop pressure on the C28 definitely helped with tougher messes. Another major focus here is anti-tangle performance. If you have pets or long hair in your house, tangled brushes are one of the most annoying things to deal with. The C28 uses eufy's dual spiral detangle system. The brushes stay closed while cleaning, then separate during docking to help release trapped hair into the dust bag automatically. And from my previous testing footages, it definitely handled long hair and pet hair very well. Or robotic pet hair. The Omni C28 also features 15,000 pascals of suction power. So naturally, I had to throw way too much debris on the floor for testing. Onto our white powder test. And to especially on carpet. The pickup performance was honestly quite impressive. For navigation, the C28 uses eufy's iPath 2.0 laser navigation system. I tested it around different robots and toys and objects to see how well it can handle obstacle avoidance. The E25 uses visual recognition that can identify 200 plus objects. The C28 does not have visual recognition, but can avoid objects larger than 3 by 3 centimeters. Also, this technology is not affected by lighting and works consistently well in darkness. And overall, it did a solid job navigating around objects while cleaning efficiently. And of course, the all-in-one station handles most of the maintenance automatically. Both feature self-emptying dust bin, which is a 3-liter dust bag that supports up to 75 days of maintenance-free cleaning. They both feature self-cleaning mop, which it automatically washes the mop after each session. They both feature hot air drying, which is an intelligent temperature control at 35 to 50 degrees Celsius. Dries the mop efficiently. Both have automatic water refill. The C28 has a 2.2-liter tank that refills the robot with clean water, while the E25 is a 2.5-liter. They both have wastewater collection, which is a 1.8-liter tank that collects dirty water. In addition, the E25 features automatic detergent dispensing, while the C28 does not have this. Dust collection, mop washing, drying. Basically designed for people that want to have little maintenance as possible, and also, surprisingly, not loud. So looking back at both of these vacuums, well, the E25 is a pretty solid robot vacuum, but the Omni C28 definitely stood out with impressive mopping performance and excellent anti-tangle cleaning. Especially if you have pets in home or robotic pets with wigs for hair, it is definitely a solid choice. In terms of edge cleaning comparison, well, the E25 has an outward extending side brush, so it performs better along the edges and corners, while the C28, well, that's stationary. In conclusion, the C28 is a great value, same strong cleaning performance as the E25, while the E25 is slightly higher in price, better suction, obstacle avoidance, and the additional base station features. Alright, well with that said, be sure to check out the link down below to purchase your very own. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Take care guys, bye bye.